Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Common reasons a snowblower won't start include a clogged carburetor, old fuel, a dirty spark plug, or issues with the fuel line. First, check if the fuel is fresh and the spark plug is clean. Clean the carburetor if necessary. Also, inspect the fuel line for any blockages. Ensuring these components are in good condition can often resolve starting issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.